Hello and welcome to Soft Expert. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get a domain and hosting from GoDaddy, and then how you can launch your website by installing WordPress on your domain. So the first thing is you can just follow the link in the description, which will take you to this page. And here you can search for your desired domain. But before that, I'll suggest you to go with the hosting, because with almost all the hosting, you will get a free domain. So just go to website and hosting here. And here you will see website builder, web hosting, WordPress hosting, and all these. The one that I would recommend is to go with WordPress hosting. Okay, just click on it and it will take you to this page. Here you can see WordPress hosting, then scroll down and you will see the plans, WordPress hosting plans. So this is the basic one, which is $9 per month, and these are the features like you can host one website here, you will get 5 GB of storage, AI creation tools, and all these. You will also get a free domain and free SSL certificate, and WordPress will be free installed with daily backups and all these. And this is the recommended one. Here you can see one website, 25 GB of storage, and all these. So you can pick the one that you need. And most cases this will work fine, so you can just click on buy now. And this will open up the cart here. You can see you can buy this for 1 month, 12 months, 24 or 36. So here you can see the more time you choose, the more discount you are getting. Just select the time period here and then click buy now. And after that you can create a free account on GoDaddy, and then you can pay for this hosting. So once you get this hosting, you will also get a free domain. Now let me show you how you can set up WordPress on your domain, and then how you can launch your website. So after getting hosting and after login, you will see a dashboard like this, where you will see all your products. Here you can see this is the domain name, and you can see manage WordPress. So this is our hosting. You can also manage your emails here, and also you can visit additional products. And most time you will deal only with the domain and hosting here. Now let's see how we can launch our website. First of all, if I visit this domain, there is nothing here. You can see I am in this domain. So let's see how we can launch this domain by installing WordPress. Let me close this. And to install WordPress, just click on new website here. And then you will get two options. How do you want to start? In case you already have a website on localhost on any other domain, you can migrate it by clicking here. And if you are creating a website from scratch, like me, you can select this option. I want to start building a brand new website. And here you can choose a suitable option. If you are creating a blog, you can choose this one. This is for offering informants, sell digital goods, private information, and so on. For now, let's choose this one and then click continue. And what kind of website do you want? So I'll just write something. And then I can choose any of these. Let's choose international business. Then I'll click continue. And what will be the website name? So what was the domain name? Let me check. I'll just copy it. This is a client website, so and we'll paste it here. We'll remove the spaces and we'll click continue. You can write any name for your website. And here you can choose the server location. As I'm creating this website for a French client, so Europe has recommended, and that is a good option for this. I'll click continue. And now you can see generating templates, and this can take a minute. So let's wait for this. These are some templates created by GoDaddy. If you want, you can use them or you can just skip them, okay? If you are planning to install your own theme and plugins. So I'll just use a blank template, okay? You will start creating your website from a blank canvas. That's okay, so I'll click create WordPress account. Now you will need to put a username for your WordPress. So again, I'll write my client name here and then go next, create site. And this will start installing WordPress. So set up your WordPress site, updating account, and this will take a few minutes. And all done, your site is ready. This will automatically take you to the WordPress dashboard after these seconds, or you can just click on edit website to go there. And that's it. I am in the WordPress dashboard now. Here you can see the website title, and you can also see manage WordPress here. This is because of our hosting, and our website is not launched yet, but I can just click on it to launch it, okay? For now, if I visit this website, let's visit it. And this is our website, but the domain here is temporary domain, okay? And this is because we haven't launched our main domain here. So let's go there. I'll go to WordPress dashboard again, and here you can see it look more professional and help people find your website with a custom domain, which means that we can add our custom domain now. Just click on it. This will take you back to GoDaddy account where you can change the domain name. You can see choose where to publish. We only have one domain, so it picked that one. And I'll click continue, verifying domain details, adding domain, updating your WordPress database, and that's it. And now if I go back to my WordPress dashboard here, You can see this option, and this is because this temporary domain is no more active. So to fix this, let's go to our hosting, and here you can click on edit site, and this will login us securely to our WordPress dashboard. Now you can check the domain name as our main domain, and let's visit the website. So you can see we got the same WordPress installation on our main domain here. One more thing is, if I copy this domain and I open this in new private window where I'm not logged in, you can see there is a coming soon page. Great things are coming soon. Now to fix this and to remove this, go back to your dashboard, and here you can see your site is not launched yet. Just click on launch now, and yes, launch my site. And good work, your site is live now. Now you can copy the URL, or you can visit your website. So let's just go back here. We'll refresh it. So now our website is live with our domain name, and that's it. And now you can start installing themes and plugins here, and you can start creating your website. And how to create a website, just visit my channel. I have lots of videos about WordPress and Elementor and WooCommerce, and here you can learn how to create photography website, e-commerce websites, and so on. And that's it for this video. This is how you can install WordPress on your GoDaddy hosting. Still, if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.